Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we walk through the official syllabus for the VMware Certified Professional 6.5 Data Center Virtualization Delta so you know exactly what to study. Overview of the exam and domain weights. The exam covers 8 domains with these exact percentages. Configure and manage vSphere networking 14%. Configure and manage vSphere storage 14%. Configure and manage vSphere deployment and resources 14%. Configure and administer vSphere availability solutions 14%. Backup and recover a vSphere deployment 11%. Troubleshoot a vSphere deployment 11%. Administer and manage vSphere resources 11%. And manage and secure a vSphere deployment 11%. Each domain includes hands-on and conceptual assessments and has recommended learning times. Configure and manage vSphere networking is weighted at 14% and focuses on network infrastructure including standard and distributed switches, NIOC, and migration strategies. You will learn to create and delete vSphere standard switches and configure VSS and VDS policies and settings. The syllabus covers adding and removing physical adapters, creating VM kernel ports, and migrating virtual machines to and from a VDS. Important topics include configuring LAC, network I/O control, port mirroring, and NetFlow for monitoring. Configure and manage vSphere storage is weighted at 14% and focuses on storage connectivity, VMFS and NFS management, and software-defined storage like vSAN. You will learn to configure and manage VMFS and NFS data stores and to implement storage multipathing and failover. The syllabus also covers VMware vSAN, storage policies, virtual volumes, and storage vMotion for moving VM files. Expect hands-on tasks around vSAN configuration, storage I/O control, and managing storage filters. Configure and manage vSphere deployment and resources is weighted at 14% and focuses on deploying the VCSA, installing XC, and using host profiles. You will learn to deploy and configure vCenter server appliance and manage the vCenter inventory. The syllabus covers upgrades, migrations, auto-deploy, host profiles, and content libraries. Hands-on skills include scripted XC installations and configuring access for vSphere client and web client. Configure and administer vSphere availability solutions is weighted at 14% and focuses on high availability, fault tolerance, and proactive HA features. You will learn to configure and manage vSphere HA clusters and fault tolerance and to enable proactive HA. The syllabus includes admission control policies, heartbeat data stores, HA network isolation, and VM component protection. Design aspects for vCenter server availability such as VCHA are also covered. Backup and recover a vSphere deployment is weighted at 11% and focuses on data protection strategies using vSphere data protection and replication. You will learn to configure and manage VDP and create and manage backup jobs and recovery operations. The syllabus covers vSphere replication, managing replication of virtual machines, and performing recoveries including file-level restores. Expect conceptual questions and scenario-based tasks around troubleshooting backups and replication. Troubleshoot a vSphere deployment is weighted at 11% and focuses on identifying and resolving networking, storage, and performance issues using logs and CLI. You will learn to troubleshoot networking and storage connectivity and to resolve XC and vCenter server issues. The syllabus includes analyzing vkernel.log and host.log, using ESXTOP for performance, and handling HA and DRS problems. Practical scenarios test your ability to find root causes, manage alarms, and troubleshoot upgrades and installations. Administer and manage vSphere resources is weighted at 11% and focuses on optimizing resource allocation with DRS, resource pools, and performance monitoring. You will learn to configure and manage vSphere DRS clusters and to create and manage resource pools and storage DRS. The syllabus covers VM resource settings like shares, limits, and reservations, analyzing CPU and memory metrics, and distributed power management. Skills include optimizing VM placement and performing migrations to balance workloads. Manage and secure a vSphere deployment is weighted at 11% and focuses on implementing XC security, VM encryption, and role-based access control. You will learn to configure and manage vSphere RBAC and secure XC hosts and vCenter server. The syllabus includes VM encryption, encrypted vMotion, certificate management, and hardening virtual machines and infrastructure. Expect scenario-based tasks on SXE firewall, lockdown mode, and managing security controls for production environments. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the VCP6.5 Data Center Virtualization Delta. Use the domain weights and topics to plan your study time and focus on hands-on practice for the scenario and lab-based objectives. Good luck with your preparation and exam day.